Oh, what's up, everybody? Comfort Inn style pen. Fuck. Man, I had to do some shit, man. I fucking had to do laundry, get a shower. Man, just can never catch up with shit, you know? Don't get old, teenagers. Because when you get old, you can never catch up with shit. It's like one thing after a fucking other in life, and you can never catch up with shit. Anyway, shout out to SoReal James 187. His bird. Anyway, it's time for a drink review. Not a food review, but a drink review. This is, probably can't see very well, I got red light. This is Parrot Pink Guava juice drink. Probably can't see it very well. Where's that fucking thing here? Okay. This is right here. I can't see the letters very well because it's Parrot. So here's the parrot right there. Parrot. God dang it, I can't get my camera positioned right. Parrot. What's this fucking thing called? Parrot Pink Guava juice drink. It says it's contains 30% juice. Pink Guava juice drink is a smooth, refreshing beverage. Parrot brand brings the freshest drink from the best quality guavas grown under the bright sun of Taiwan. I've been to Taiwan. I was in Taiwan 2017 on my way to the Philippines for the first time. And I had a 4.5, almost 5-hour layover in Taiwan. So I've been to Taiwan. Shout out to the Taiwanese people. Anyway, this has got a picture of a parrot on it. It's called Parrot Pink Guava juice drink. Parrot. So when I think of parrot, I think of Cosmo, and I think of SoReal 187. That damn bird of his. Can't even speak English, just you know. So anyway, let's try this fucking drink. It ain't bad, but it's not. I've had better. This is not. It's kind of dry. I mean, it's just. I don't know. It's kind of plain. It's not. It's not bad, but it's not. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 6. Maybe a 5. It's average. It's not that great. I gotta be honest. It's got too much damn sugar in it. Anyway, that's my food review. Shout out to SoSlob 187.